Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 BMW 116M Sport. This car comes with a 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 68 miles per gallon, a insurance group of just 16 and road tax at £20 a year. The mileage is just over 42,000 miles and the car comes with full service history. As you can see, the mineral grey metallic paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the first thing that really stands out is the gorgeous coral red leather seats there, which look in really good again for the condition for the age and mileage of the car. We've got the centre armrest as well. A few other features worth mentioning. You've got the multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, Bluetooth and DAB radio. And the car also has climate control and automatic headlights and wipers, just to mention a few features. Being the 5-door, easy access there into the back, and rear passengers have pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And as we open the tailgate, you've got a good sized boot there with a split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance of just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.